Hi, I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. I love recipes that are fun, fancy, but really, really easy. So today we're going to make asparagus bundles. We're going to take some fresh asparagus, wrap it up in prosciutto, and then roast it in the oven. After you've washed your asparagus, you always want to trim off the ends. The ends are kind of tough, and so just hold those together and cut off the bottom couple of inches is usually enough. Take your prosciutto and 5 or 6 stalks of asparagus, and then just wrap it kind of overlapping into a little bundle. And not only does this really dress up the recipe, but this prosciutto adds incredible flavor to the asparagus. Now, if your asparagus has a real thick stalk, then you may want to blanch it for a couple of minutes before you roll it in the prosciutto. Let's grab a baking pan. We're just going to lay all 4 of these bundles out. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil just to keep them nice and moist. And some fresh cracked pepper. But don't add salt to this recipe. Some prosciutto is really salty, and so you don't want to overdo it. Now we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for between 10 or 15 minutes, depending on how thick your asparagus is. Let's check and see if those asparagus bundles are ready. I'm just going to plate a couple of these up. Maybe just another drizzle of olive oil. Don't those look great? The prosciutto gets nice and crispy, and you've got the tender asparagus, lots and lots of flavor. These are great for a date night dinner or for entertaining. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Thanks for watching this recipe for asparagus bundles.